Hi guys, pasa tayo. You eat quickly, mabilis kang kumain. He fixed the car. Inaayos niya ang kotse. They have many toys. Marami silang laruan. You sing beautifully. Maganda kang kumanta. You are very smart. Napakatalino mo. The apple is sweet. Matamis ang mansanas. I bring my bag. Tinala ko ang aking bag. They are studying hard. Masipag silang nag-aaral. I see a rainbow. Nakikita ko ang mahaghari. The wind is strong. Malakas ang hangin. You jump very high. Tumatalon ka ng mataas. She smiles very time. Palagi siyang ngumingiti. I drink milk. Uminom ako ng gatas. It is cold outside. Malamig sa labas. The baby is crying. Umiiyak ang sanggol. It is time to eat. Oras na para kumain. She is my friend. Siya ang aking kaibigan. He is riding a bicycle.